subscribe my channel Final Electronics and also click the bell icon for latest. Welcome friends, that is Final Electronics again. We are again back to our new project timer IC and clock pulse circuit. At first we get a breadboard, then we have a 555 IC or any 555 timer IC. Then we have a 10k pot. Then we have a 100 microwatt capacitor. Next a one or two LED of different colors. Next some connectors or single strand wire, then some resistors of different value 1k 10k. Next a 9-volt battery, or you can also use your DC supply. So start. At first any 555 you can see a notch in the IC. From this of the notch 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 pins. Next place the IC in the breadboard tightly. Then in the with the finger stand where you short the number 8 and number 4 pin. You can see that. Next with the single stand again short number 6 and number 2 pins with the wire. Next we take 100 microfarad capacitor. This is positive, this is negative. Positive terminal goes to the pin number 2 and negative in the pin number 1. You can see. Next the 1k resistor. It is placed between number 8 and number 7 pin. Next the 10k pot. The fixed and the variable terminal of the pot placed in the number 6 and number 7 terminal. You can see that the pot is placed between number 6 and number 7 terminal. Very well. Next connect the LED through a 1k resistor from the pin number 3. Connect the pin number 3. Connect the positive terminal of the LED, that is the long leg, in the resistor and negative terminal in the pin number 1. Next we have to connect the battery. Positive terminal of the battery connect in the pin number 8 and negative terminal of the battery connect to the pin number 1. Next you can see our circuit is ready and the LED is blinking on a like a clock pulse. You can also time off and time on time and off time by varying the 10k pot. You can see that very clearly. I can change the off and on time very easily. You can see from close. Next something from me. You can also connect a LED in the pin number 3 via a resistor. Now this time connect the negative terminal in the resistor and positive terminal in the pin number 4. You can see that. Now this is very fun. This is very fun. The on time and off time is indicated by the blue LED and the green LED respectively. We can also change this on time off time the varying the NK port. You can see that I change the time very smoothly. This is very fun. You can also do this at home very easily. Thank you. Subscribe my channel and like, comment, share.